All right, I've got my friend Andrew here. Andrew is kind of a regular. Andrew, you just got this back from a brake place. We won't name the place, but you just got this back from a brake place. You spent well over $1,000, right?
Yep.
And got some new calipers and pads and rotors on your Jeep that you just bought. The complaint is the brake pedal is really spongy, and I will say it goes right to the floor. And what we're going to do is we're going to play a little game, because I know you're a little bit of a do-it-yourselfer too.
Yep.
All right.
Just a little bit.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a flashlight.
Yep.
All right. You get my good flashlight, and I'm even going to let you use my Viper shop chair. So go ahead and grab a seat.
Okay.
And I want you to find what your problem is. If you find it in the time that I get back from going pee, your repair will be free. Good luck.
Entertaining, entertaining, entertaining. Let's see here.
One eternity later.
Got it?
You know, I don't.
Okay.
I probably should.
That's all right. Let's take a look here. Okay, come on over here. Shine your light on. And that right there is a bleed valve. By the way, a little bit disturbing that they didn't put the cap on there. No, that's not your problem, though. Okay, but look at the position of it.
Yep.
All right. And the reason that it's in that position is because air rises.
Yep.
So you need to have it at the top of the caliper. All right, now let's go take a look.
Oh yeah. We installed the caliper upside down.
So it's not that it's upside down, it's actually on the wrong side. Each of these calipers has been installed on the wrong side.
That's awesome. So they've got air in them, they've got air stuck in them.
There's air stuck in them. Out.
Yeah. Appreciate that.
Maybe you can help with it, actually.
Absolutely.
All right.
Happy to.
There you go, guys. Calipers have to be installed in the right orientation so that they can be bled. See ya. All right.